Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add your YouTube channel link to your TikTok bio. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So first open up TikTok, then click on your profile icon on the bottom right. Once you're on here, just select Edit Profile and you should see near the bottom Add YouTube Link, so select that. And this will just bring up multiple accounts if you have them, and just select whichever YouTube channel you want. Then you should see it entered at the bottom, and if you come out of here you should see the YouTube link just underneath Share Profile, so you can click on there and that should bring you straight to your YouTube account. So that's how you can add a YouTube channel link to your TikTok bio. Thanks for watching.